In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a wiki in Notion. By the end, you'll turn a regular Notion page into a clean, navigable wiki that's perfect for team knowledge, onboarding, and documentation without losing any of your existing content. With your Notion page open, look to the very top right corner of the page. You'll see a small button with 3 dots. This is the page's options menu. It's sometimes called the More menu, and it sits alongside familiar controls like share and comments. Make sure you have edit access to the page. If you don't, the option we need may be unavailable or grayed out. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. A drop-down panel will appear with a range of page settings and layout controls. This menu is where Notion keeps advanced actions, formatting options, and page-level utilities. It's the quickest way to change how a page behaves in your workspace. From that drop-down, select Turn into Wiki. The moment you choose this, Notion converts the current page into a wiki. Behind the scenes, nothing is deleted. Your blocks, subpages, and structure remain intact, but the page gains a wiki-optimized experience that makes browsing and maintaining knowledge much easier. You'll notice the page now emphasizes discoverability and organization, which helps teammates quickly find answers and understand how information fits together. A few helpful notes as that change takes effect. Wikis are ideal when you have multiple related pages that should live under one roof. Existing subpages automatically become part of the wiki's hierarchy, and the top page acts like your hub. This makes it easier to keep standards, how-tos, policies, and FAQs in one place. If you don't see the Turn into Wiki option, you may be viewing a database, a template preview, or you may not have permission to modify the page type. In those cases, ask a workspace admin to check your access or try the action on a standard page. After the conversion, think about clarity and consistency. Clear page titles, concise descriptions at the top of important pages, and a predictable naming scheme go a long way. Keep related topics grouped as subpages so that your wiki reads like a logical table of contents. If your team collaborates heavily, consider adding short context blurbs at the top of key sections so new contributors know what belongs where. And remember, you can revisit the same 3-dot menu later if you ever need to adjust page settings again. That's it. 2 clicks and your Notion page is now a wiki, ready to scale with your team's knowledge.